Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm going to show you quickly how to save a PowerPoint as a PDF. So I have this PowerPoint presentation here and I want to save it as a PDF. So how do we go about doing that? It's very easy. All we need to do is bring up a web browser and we want this website here, ilovepdf.com. Now you want to drop down this drop down here and select PowerPoint to PDF here, or you should be able to find it on the home page somewhere, but the drop down is the easiest place to find it. So we'll go PowerPoint to PDF. Now you want to select this big red button here, select PowerPoint file. You can drag the file onto this page if you want, but pressing the red button is normally easiest. Let's locate the PowerPoint file. Mine's here on the desktop. Highlight it, then press open. It should quickly upload it to the website. Then you want to press this big button here, convert to PDF, in the bottom right hand corner. It should quickly do that for you, even with big PDFs, and automatically download onto your PC or Mac. If it doesn't, press the big red button. Mine has here, as you just seen. So let's open it up here in the downloads. Let's double click it. It's now a PDF, as you can see, and we've turned it into a PDF. So that's how to quickly save PowerPoint as a PDF file. Now if you want to save a PowerPoint as a PDF, you can just go into here, save file, save as, drop this down, select PDF here. We'll take this out so it's a different name, press save. Now this should be a PDF here on our desktop. So that's two different ways how to save a PowerPoint as a PDF. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.